So this short video is going to explain what Bodmas means. Well, if you look over on the left hand side, we've got Bodmas. It stands for brackets, orders of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It says do first and do last. So if we look at our sum over here, 2 plus 3 times 6, we've got the answer 20. So what Bodmas tells us is not to do your sums in order, but to follow a rule, a special rule. And the rule tells us that we must do division. Any division or multiplication must come before addition and subtraction. So when we look at 2 plus 3 times 6, we have bracketed the multiplication and worked out what 3 times 6 is, and then added it to 2. So I'll write that out with brackets. It's easier to understand if you put brackets round the multiplication. So 2 plus 3 times 6 is actually what has been done in this example. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 2 plus 18 is of course 20. So if the brackets aren't there and you're told to follow Bodmas, then the multiplication or possibly division must be done first. So here's another example. What if we had 6 plus 12 divided by 3 and we were told to use Bodmas? Well, we would need to work out 12 divided by 3 first before it was added to the 6. So what we would get is 6 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4, and the answer would be 10. So using Bodmas, 6 plus 12 divided by 3 is 10. Let's have another look at a couple more examples. Now in this particular example, even if you did it in order, you would be following Bodmas because it's division first, and 20 divided by 5 is 4, and then you're left with 4 subtract 6, which, if you know your negative numbers, is minus 2. If I had, say, 15, take away 30 divided by 6, then using Bodmas, it's going to be 15 take away 30 divided by 6 first, so we'll use the brackets to make that clear. That's 15 take away 5, 30 divided by 6 is 5, so 15 take 5 is 10. So there's a few examples of applying Bodmas to calculations.